morning, guys. So it is the morning of December, well, it's not morning anymore, it's the afternoon of December 8th. So it is the first day of my second week of Vlogmas. Like I said, I'm kind of doing this in week chunks just because I feel like I don't have enough in my like everyday life to put up a vlog every single day. Plus right now I'm in the middle of my senior year of college, so I don't really have time to edit a video every single day either. So right now I'm just waiting for Louise. We're at the dog park at our apartment complex right now, so I'm just letting her like run around a little bit, kind of get some of her energy out. Then I have to run to the store. You guys know yesterday I like went on a massive shopping spree and I decided to just kind of buy some things and decide what I wanted to wear that night and then go return the rest. So I have a couple of things to take back to like Forever 21 and Windsor, and then I'm heading to Target to take back a sweater that I got Louise that ended up being way too small. And then, so Jared doesn't know this yet, but tomorrow when we go up to Kansas City to see my parents, we're going to go to an animal rescue, and I've picked out a kitten that we're gonna get for him, and that's gonna be his Christmas present. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go and get like a few different like little cat toys and little things that, but I don't want them to be like super specifically cat toys until later. I want that to be like the last thing that he opens, so I'm gonna get like cat clues, I guess, and I'm gonna have him open them and say that I'm giving him like early Christmas presents while we're on our way there, and wait for him to figure it out, and then we will end up at the animal rescue. We found a little kitten. I'm so excited, so you guys will get to meet him tomorrow as well. But other than that, yeah, that's what I'm doing today, so I'll bring you guys along for whatever. I know, especially like when I'm at Target shopping around for cat stuff, that'll be really fun. But I just wanted to kind of open the vlog, let y'all know what was going on. Louise will be staying with my friend Madison while we are away. It's literally just for like one night, but I'm interested to see how that goes because she's never stayed at like someone else's house before for like pet sitting. It's always been like I take her to go get boarded, which isn't as fun for her, I don't think. I think she likes being in a home environment a little bit more, so she's gonna stay with my friend Madison while we are gone. It's gonna be very sad to leave her, but I think she'll be so excited to have a cat when we get home. Like my nephew has a cat that stays at like our house, and so she loves like hanging out with that cat. So hopefully, since we're getting this new kitty as like a small kitten, then you know they'll get used to each other and they'll like each other. So I'm excited for that. So we will just kind of see where the day takes us and what kind of cat clues I can come up with. All right, guys, sorry I didn't film anymore while I was like out and about today. Target was literally, I was only gonna film at Target, and then when I got in there, it was a zoo. There were so many like moms with their little kids and stuff like that, and like that's my least favorite time to shop at Target just because there's like so many people running all over the place. People like hit me with a cart. I was over it, so I didn't want to grab my camera out during that just because like I hate filming in that setting because like people jostle you and then you move the camera, or like it doesn't go well. So I wanted to show you guys what I got to tell Jared that he's going to be getting a kitty. First, he's gonna get this clue. It's this little glove that you put on your hands. It's got like extended fingers. It makes you kind of look like a Who, or like the Grinch or something. And it's got little pom-poms at the end, so that's to kind of like play with the cat, to kind of like, you know, wiggle your fingers, and they like the pom-poms and everything. So I'm just gonna give him that. It doesn't have any tags on it, so it doesn't say like cat toy or whatever. And then this is gonna be the big finale piece right before the cat. So I'm gonna give this to him on the way to go pick up the cat. So I got a blank mug and I drew on it and I baked it. So this is what I came up with. It says Cat Daddy, which I thought was very humorous because I always call him Pug Daddy because of like Louise. And then it's got a little heart with whiskers on the sides. And then inside of that is this little fortune cookie cat toy. It's got, you know, like the crinkly stuff, and it says, I see 9 lives in your future. So I thought that that would be a cute way to like announce it to him or whatever. So he'll open this, it'll just have like the mug, and then it'll have the little fortune cookie inside. So I'm so excited for him to see it. It's literally, that's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited, I can't wait. And then tomorrow we're going to bring little Chance home. Well, I guess we're not bringing him home. We're gonna bring him to like my parents' apartment in Kansas City just for the night, and then we'll be bringing him home. We'll be bringing him home then the next day. So I am very excited. I hope that Jared loves it. I know that he loves cats, and so I'm sure he's gonna like flip out. So I will be obviously filming and vlogging everything. Tonight I just like made dinner, made the mug. I've been wrapping some Christmas presents. I don't really have like a lot else going on. I'm probably gonna like play some Breath of the Wild on the Switch or something like that, just to kind of relax and have a little bit of fun. Sorry, my camera keeps like not focusing. It's been a long day, but yeah, so I got all the like essentials. I got a bag of kitten food, I got some kitty litter and a litter box, and like the scoop and everything. I have like some other little toys for him. So I'm very excited. I'm excited for like to see Jared's face when it happens. So another part of the reason I haven't gotten to film yet is because he's been here the whole time, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. So like I had to wait until he left to get his haircut, and now I was able to show you. So now I'm just gonna kind of clean up the house and wait for him to get home so he can show off his haircut.
Louise, are you gonna have a brother?
She's like, whoa, what's a brother? You gonna have a kitty? You wanna go Jack Jack? You wanna have a Jack Jack? You know Jack Jack. You wanna have a chance? Holy crap, I have not vlogged like at all today. Hi guys, it is Saturday, December 9th. It is around 2 p.m. We are getting gas right now right before our trip. I am actually driving, so I'm just doing this little clip while we're getting gas. We dropped Louise off at my friend's. It took literally like 30 minutes to drop her off, and we live like maybe 2 minutes away from where my friend lives. There was a like parade downtown, and so literally every way we tried to take was like blocked off, so we kept like going up to this place and it was blocked, so we tried to take like an alternate route, and then halfway down that route it would be blocked, and then we had to figure out how to get out and then go to another one, and it was blocked. So I'm very stressed right now because now we're late, and Jared's of course being kind of grouchy about the fact that I'm upset that we're late, but what he doesn't know is I'm upset that we're late because I don't want to miss getting the cat tonight. But yeah, we're getting gas right now and just kind of filling up. He's grabbing us some food because neither of us have eaten today, and now we don't have time, so we're just gonna like grab a snack. So I think my gas just finished pumping. I am gonna go do that, and we will see you guys in Kansas City. Hi parents. Dad looks like he's in the American Gothic painting. Look very like tall and just like, that's very nice. It's hello. Wait, show him your cup. Jared got a cup with a dog on it. Oh wow, you really can't tell on video. Sort of. There's a dog on it. Also, we saw a pig downtown.
It's always good to see a man taking his pig for a walk.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of
Oh, you can't see you.
well, I'll look at it this way. I mean, technically our marriage is saved. Let's go, Lord. Let's so pour this ship.
It's like getting closer and I'm like getting nervous, like my heart is racing, but I have to like try to act normal. So he thinks we're going to a Christmas lights show in Bonner Springs, but we're actually going to the Bonner Springs Animal Rescue. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Jared to get out here. He has absolutely no regard for the fact that we're about to be late. So you have 2 pieces. This is your first piece. Everyone else is very prepared, by the way.
Is this for your hand?
Everyone else already has their equipment except for you.
Are we gonna have to dance in front of people? Because I don't want to do that.
Only time will tell.
Let me just say that you make a perfect Grinch, and we'll just leave it at that.
Aw, you look like a who. So I have a part 2 for you. And you're going to have to accept the fact that this is also going to be part of your Christmas present.
Cat daddy.
What does the fortune say?
I see 9 lives in your future. Nuh-uh. Are you serious?
So there's someone waiting inside to meet you.
Really? Nuh-uh. You're kidding.
No.
No way.
I got you good. Do you feel bad about being grouchy this morning?
Yeah.
And then what do you think? Was it a good surprise?
He thought we were coming to see Christmas lights. We've been telling him all the way here, oh gosh,
Yeah, oh my God,
away and miss the lights.
He's very good.
He's like, I don't know what's happening.
I'm keeping the name.
I thought you would like it.
So sad. Oh my god.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Hey buddy.
Oh my God, he's so cute. Baby.
Because he wouldn't want him to
Chance.
wake up and jump or something.
I'm gonna take a little nap. A sleepy time. Oh. Oh my God. He's so sleepy. Already best friends. You have your mouse. Waffle with peaches and strawberries and whipped cream and coffee. And Mom.
Yummy waffles.
Good morning. Did you sleep at all?
No.
I didn't think so. Did the cat keep you up?
Yes.
Just remember, you wanted a kitten.
Your hair looks like you didn't sleep.
He played with it all night.
I know. Hey guys, so we just left my parents' it was solid. I think the surprise was good. Today, I didn't really get to film much just because like we weren't really doing anything where I could like take my camera in, because we went to my dad's work and did like a factory tour because he works for Coca-Cola. So it was kind of cool that we got to see like the bottling plant and everything. So that was really fun. And then also we just kind of went around and drove around Lawrence, which is where one of the schools that Jared's looking at is. So that was kind of fun to just kind of like see that little area. They have a really cute little downtown area there. So we did that, but there wasn't really a whole lot going on otherwise. I have that one little clip of like the house that my parents are looking at. So that's pretty much all we did today, was just went around to those places. Chance is in his little cat box. I feel bad, but he's in his little carrier on the floor right now. I have to do a little bit of editing, so that's why he's in his box, and then I'll let him out once I'm done with that. So, do you think it was a good trip? Were you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Was it a good surprise?
Yes.
Alright, so that's pretty much what we're doing for tonight. There's not going to be a lot happening just because we're going to be driving home and then we're going to be picking up Louise, so that'll definitely be fun to kind of see like how they interact and stuff like that. So, stay tuned. Chance, you ready to meet your big sister? Is this what it's like to be parents? You want to meet your big sister? Oh, you're so cuddly right now.
Oh,
hello.
I love that.
Hi. Hi. Oh, Louise! Hi, baby. Hello. So good. Oh, you bonked your noggin. Good morning, guys. It is, ooh, it's not morning anymore. It's the afternoon of Monday, December 11th, so I am actually on my way to a final right now. I have a final at 1:15, and it is a little bit before 1 right now, so I'm heading off to my final. Right now, you know how I said I was gonna start like carrying extra camera batteries and like the charger and stuff like that? Well, I started doing that, and then I promptly left them at my parents' place in Kansas City, so I'm annoyed with myself. But anyway, I'm filming on my big camera right now. Today I've just been kind of hanging out with animals. Here's Chance saying hello, making his big official vlog hello at the house here. So we've been just like getting he and Louise adjusted to each other and kind of letting them hang out. Oh my god, no, Chance, no. So I've been home kind of dealing with that today. Like I said, now I have a final. I'm gonna go get my allergy shots again, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. I think I'm just gonna take my online finals tonight. So you guys are more than welcome to come along with me, but my camera setup will be a little bit different, so I probably won't see you again until I get home, just because I don't wanna take my big camera with me. So I'm sorry. Good morning, guys. It is the morning of the 13th. I'm on my way to work right now. I had a final this morning. It was pretty much the best final ever because I kind of knew that it was going to be easy, so I didn't really study because it's a lot of the same information that we learned in the intro class last year. This was kind of just more the application of everything that we learned. So I like didn't study really at all, and then I got to the final today and she goes, here's a blank piece of paper, write down your name, 3 things you learned this semester in this class, and 1 thing you think that we could improve on in this class. And I was like, okay, is this in addition to our final? She goes, nope, this is your final. I was like, this is probably the best final I've ever taken in my whole life. So that was nice. That's one less thing to worry about. I have 1 more final tomorrow and then I'm done. But today I'm on my way to work. Today we're gonna give my boss her Christmas present from us. We got she and her husband, excuse me, sorry. We got she and her husband a gift card to the Alamo Drafthouse, which if you guys have never seen what that is, it's this like really awesome movie theater that has like a full service restaurant and bar in it. It's super cool. You can order everything like literally while you're sitting in your seats. So that's what we got them for Christmas, and we're gonna give that to her today. So I'm super excited. Hopefully I will get the chance to vlog that for you guys so you can kind of meet the people that I work with. I am very excited for today. Now that I'm inside, I can show you what we did. So we finally put toppers on our little trees. We have these cute little glittery bows. We have our little snowflakes, and can we talk about this dress? Look at how pretty it is. I'm such a sucker for wedding dresses. This is literally the best job ever. Also, look at this one. You guys, it's like all completely beaded with like these sequins and little, they're kind of the more like chunky rhinestone type beads, and then it's got lace underneath, and it's pink, and it's probably the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Also, here's the board that I made. It says, if kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard. I wish it was like snowing outside. It never snows though in southwestern Missouri, but good morning store. Good morning coffee. Here we are.
I'm nervous opening gifts.
Why?
So the gift card is gonna email to you.
Oh, fun. So we have an outside date night and then a date night in a box too. So you guys have both.
Oh, those will be yummy.
Dude, this is a good box.
This is so cute.
Gonna make Brooke make me a box.
You made this, Brookie?
Yeah.
Good job. Did you take a picture of it for your marketing?
Oh, I didn't. I should though.
Here, go.
Tequila and chicken, both types of beans, brown rice, cheese, sour cream, guac, lettuce, the pico and the classic red hot.
Queso.
And queso, yes. So good. Good morning, guys. It is the morning of the 14th. I'm starting to lose my voice, so I apologize. But I wanted to show you guys, I got the cutest package from Etsy. Look at this adorable little vintage ornament that she sent. It's like a Coca-Cola Christmas ornament. It is so cute. It's in the shape of like a giant bottle cap, but this is very cute and definitely going on my tree. So thank you to Pearls Vintage by Pam for the really cute like additional gift in my little package. Hi. Hey, good morning. Guess what I just did? I just took my very last final of the semester, which means I have 1 semester left before I'm officially done with college, which thank God, because literally I'm gonna graduate and then 9 days after that I'm gonna get married and just all the stuff is happening, so I'm so ready to be done. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just finished the last first semester of a college year that I'll ever have. There, we'll make it something to celebrate. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get my shots today. Then I have a couple of things to pick up to kind of finish up all of the Christmas shopping that's going on. I have one more gift box that I need and some like filler for the gift box and stuff like that, and a couple more little present things. So I'm gonna be out and about doing that and then going home and eating my Qdoba leftovers, honestly. I've discovered the secret to shopping at Target. Don't shop on a weekday in the Christmas season. You know why? Because all the big kids are in school, so all the moms are out with all their small children and they're all obnoxious and they're hitting you with carts and all the moms are being annoying and talking to each other in the aisles. Merry Christmas. No, but literally that was like probably one of the most annoying trips to Target I've ever taken, so. Thankfully, I got everything I needed. I have the stuff for Madison's Christmas present. I have the stuff for next year's wrapping. Honestly, I grabbed, because I really liked the paper that I used this year and it's on sale 3 for $12, so I grabbed a bunch of those. I got a cat stand for Chance, so he has something. I got brownie mix because I'm stressed and I just want some brownies. So I got a bunch of really cute stuff. I will show you everything as it's going into presents and everything once I get home. So now I'm on my way home, gonna go grab my Qdoba leftovers and munch on those because I'm so hungry because it's like 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet. Chance, do you like your new toy? He's like, whoa, there are so many feathers here. The top spins and then the middle is a scratching post and I think he likes it. Hopefully that'll keep him off my wrapping paper table. Still going at it.